Hello everyone, welcome back for our mathematics live session. Today I'm sharing you something very important. This is about the table of 2. As you all can see on the screen, there I have made some circles, or I could say some balls. See, when we are doing table of 2, these can help us a lot. How? Let us see that. See, in the first picture, I have written only 2 balls. How many balls are made? I have made only 2 balls. But I have not done over here anything. That means there are 2 balls only one time. These 2 balls are only one time. So when we are doing this one, we are not adding any other ball. In this one, we are not adding any other ball. So our answer will be again 2. What will be our answer? Simple, 2, because we are not adding them. Now, coming to the second picture, there are 2 balls in one group. Again 2 balls in another group. That means we are having 2 balls 2 times. 2 balls we are having 2 times. How many balls? How many times? We are having 2 balls, then 2 times. How many times? 2 times. That means we are saying that 2 twos are 2 twos are 4. Right? That's the way we have learned in the class, right? Next, again we have 2 balls, not one time, but 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many times we have 2 balls? We have 2 balls 3 times. That means how will we write in the multiplication form? 2 threes are 6. Perfect. It's clear to all of you. Similarly, the next one is 2. We are writing 2 balls 4 times. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means we have written 2 4 times. We had made 2 balls, but 4 times this time. So how we are going to write? 2 with the multiplication sign, then 4, then it's R. Sorry, it's R, not Z. So 2 fours are, let me see, 8. Done? This is the way how we learn our multiplication table. We see how many groups we have made. कितने groups हैं हमारे पास? 2 groups हैं, 3 groups हैं, 4 groups हैं. Then कितनी balls के हैं? Like 2 का table है. This time we are doing the table of 2. So it is the ball. There are 2 balls. Okay. And how many times we are drawing the balls? This is shown by this number. Let me show you something else also. Just wait. Now, let us read our table from here. Over here, I have started up something with tens, ones, then a blank box, then tens, then ones, then a blank box, again tens and ones. So you all can find what we have done is we have made a maths check box notebook, just as like you all are having. So when you are copying it in your notebook, don't forget to leave blanks in between of tens and ones. Why we are doing that? Because we have to put a multiplication sign and also we have to put an equal to sign. Fine, it's clear. Now, while writing our table, we will put a dot under the tens because only one digit, that is 2, it has to be done under ones. क्योंकि वो एक ही digit है, ठीक है? So we have put a dot under all the tens over here. Then 2, then multiplication sign, then again a dot, just same as we have done over here. Then ones, then R equal to over here we read our table like this. 2 ones are 2. Okay, 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. Now, when we have reached to 10, we are not putting a dot over here. We are utilizing this tens box also. Remember to do it. Remember to do it. Don't forget that you have to write number 1 over here. So now don't put in full stop or a dot over here. Fine? That's for the class today. But don't forget how we have to learn our table. When we are learning our table, we are saying 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Don't forget to read your table like this. This is the correct way, not this one. 2 za 4. This is not correct. This is totally wrong. Remember this. This is not correct. If you will speak like this, you will not be speaking in the correct form. So remember to speak your table like this. 2 ones are 2. See, when we speak in a hurry, it sounds like this. 2 twos are. But actually, it is not. So keep learning. Do practice. Goodbye.